Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So students, in today's video, we are going to learn maths of class UKG. So are you ready? Okay. So first, let's see the topics which we are going to cover in this video, which are division of greater than, smaller than and equal to, backward counting 50 to 1, and worksheets related to the above. So these three topics we will be covering in today's video of maths. So let's start. So children, first we are going to learn about greater than, smaller than and equal to. Children, you have to learn and remember the sign of greater than, smaller than and equal to. The signs are given to you on the screen. So first we have to count the number of fruits on the both sides. So first is the picture of strawberries. On the left side you can see 8 strawberries if you count, and on the right side there are 7 strawberries. So 8 is greater than 7. So we will put greater than sign in the space. This is the greater than sign. Next, watermelons. 6 watermelons on the left side and 6 watermelons on the right side. So the number of watermelons is equal on the both sides. So we will put equal to sign. This is equal to sign. Next, 5 apples on the left side, 6 apples on the right side. So 5 is smaller than 6. So we will put smaller than sign. This is the smaller than sign. Next, 4 oranges on the left side and 3 oranges on the right side. So 4 is greater than 3. So we will put greater than sign in this box. So like this you have to do greater than, smaller than and equal to. Next, greater than, smaller than and equal to. In this worksheet we have to count the objects and we have to put the sign accordingly. The first picture, as you can see, is of lollipops. So on the left side there are 5 lollipops and on the right side there are 4 lollipops. So 5 is greater than 4, so we have to put greater than sign in the space. Next, 4 umbrellas on the left side and 6 umbrellas on the right side. So 4 is smaller than 6, so we have to put smaller sign. Next is the picture of boxes. So here on the left side there are 6 boxes and on the right side there are 6 boxes. So there are equal number of boxes on the both sides. So we will put equal to sign in the box. Next, envelopes. On the left side there are 6 envelopes and on the right side there are 5 envelopes. So number 6 is greater than 5, so we will put greater than sign in the box. Next is mugs. On the left side there are 7 mugs, and on the right side there are 6 mugs. So 7 is greater than 6, so we will put greater than sign in the space given. Like this, we have to complete greater than, smaller than and equal to. Children, you have to remember the greater than, smaller than and equal to signs, and you have to put accordingly in the boxes. Next, we will do backward counting 50 to 1. When we write the greater number to smaller numbers, it is called backward counting. So today we are doing from number 50 to 1. So accordingly we have to write the numbers in the space. As you can see, the first number is 5050. Next, 4949, 4848, 4747, 4646, 4545, 4444, 4343, 4242, 4141. On the next column you have to write counting 40 to 31. In the third column 30 to 21. In the fourth column 20 to 11. And in the fifth column number 10 to number 1. So this is your backward counting 50 to 1. So your worksheet number 1. Write the correct sign in each circle. Here the greater than, smaller than and equal to signs are given to you. So you have to put the correct sign in the circle. So the first one is 11 and 20. So 11 is smaller than 20. So we will put smaller than sign in the circle. 19 and 18. 19 is greater than 18. So you have to put greater than sign in the circle. 12 and 14. 14. So 12 is smaller than 14. So you have to put smaller than sign. 15 and 17. So 15 is smaller than 17. So you have to put smaller than sign in the circle. 23 and 23. Those numbers are same on the both sides, so we will put equal to sign in the circle. So children, accordingly you have to complete the rest of the numbers and you have to put the correct sign in each circle. Our next worksheet is worksheet number 2. Write backward counting 50 to 1. So children, you have to write backward counting from 50 to 1 in the space given. So you have to start from 5050. In the first column you will write backward counting 50 to 41. In second column you will write 40 to 31. In the third column 30 to 21. In the fourth column 20 to 11. and in the fifth column 10 to number 1. So you will write backward counting 50 to 1 in the space given. So children, in this video you have learned about greater than, smaller than and equal to and backward counting of numbers 50 to 1. So you have to practice the worksheets which have been given to you in this video, and you have to practice 50 to 1 backward counting. So children, keep practicing at home. Stay safe and healthy. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.